Hello friends, welcome back to my Zulu Heart. Nontle Duma here. So thank you all so much for keeping on subscribing, checking the videos, liking and sharing. So today I am doing the promised Vetkoek. Remember, Vetkoek was in the video of Amagwinya. Amagwinya is Vetkoek, but today's Vetkoek I am doing a thicker dough, so it's more bready than the other one that we did where it's light. And this one you can eat it on its own with sweet stuff, but mostly we eat it in a savory way. So today's one is with a curry that I am going to feature in part 2. Now we're going over to making Amagwinya Vetkoek. So in our clean dry bowl, this is plastic, you can use glass. I don't have luxury of glass at the moment. So in my bowl I've sifted 4 cups of flour, and in there goes a tablespoon for every cup, so that's 4 tablespoons. I have here a pinch of salt, and I have 2 teaspoons of yeast and instant yeast. So just mix it up a little bit and sort of make a well. And in here I'm going to put in a tablespoon of olive oil. You can use any oil that you have. I just happen to have olive oil today. And in goes a cup of water. I'm just going to do it in stages. You need up to like 2.5 cups of water depending. So we're gonna do it in stages because what we need is a dough that's gonna be sticky in our hands to touch, but also, you know, be able to mold it. Because remember when we were doing Amagwinya the last time, we were doing them soft because we want them softer, but this is sort of recipe for sort of bread consistency. When you are kneading, you need it to be like bready. So you can continue to knead this in here, or you can put your flour on the surface like so. Before you knead it into on a surface, it's better to leave it like for 5 minutes. So we're just going to let it rest in this bowl before we knead it out. Usually when the dough is a lot, you might need 2 hands, but this will do for now. You knead it for like 5 minutes until it becomes like rubbery, elastic. Work out for your arms. And imagine, some people do this for a living every day. I wouldn't mind, seriously, because I just love the feeling of dough in my hands. My little girl calls it slime. It's like slime, mommy, she says. So it's a chance to be a child again. See how it's coming a little bit together. It's not sticking as much, and that's in our 3rd minute. So you see our dough is looking elasticy and a bit harder than when we started. So now we're going to put it in here, and in here you just need to base your bowl so it doesn't stick. Might as well do that to my hands so I can collect our like that. See, it's elastic, and we're going to put this in here and cover it with cling film to keep it warm and moist. And it's a very warm day today, so I'd say maybe like 45 minutes. But knowing the weather in Scotland, depends on the weather where you are. Other people like to put it in the oven. I don't. You could put it in a low heated oven because our oven is just not trustworthy. So I'm going to just do mine the old school way. I'm going to dress it in like these dish towels, clean dish towels, and I'm going to keep it warm. Our dough has risen, doubled in size, and here I'm going to prep the surface. I'm putting a spray. You can use just normal oil and brush it on like that. My brush is not as smooth, so I'm going to use my hand a bit like that. So now we have a choice whether how we do this. We can do it this way. Remember how we were patting them before? And actually I need more oil in my hands. It's elastic. I can do that. Or you can see how elastic it is. You can do this. I'll have to wash the spray after this. Seriously, I'm making a mess. And then you roll it. But my roller, as you can see, it's not working properly for me. So I'm just going to stick to this way. And this way you leave them. You let them rest for 5 minutes. So in here we just check if the oil is ready. If it bounces up, it's ready. Our oil is ready. So now we're going to start putting in our Vetkoek, Amagwinya, Fatcakes. Because of the size of the pot, I have like a liter of oil here. I'm going to put like 3 or 4 at a time. We don't want the oil to be too hot because you want them to cook evenly. So let's see, I can have one there. Our taster is ready. No, stay like that. I'm trying to prevent it overcooking one side and not the other. So friends, our Amagwinya is ready. It's cooked, it's crispy, it's delicious. If you don't like it crispy, you can put it in a bowl. I find that if you put it in glass or a plastic bowl, it begins to soften, but I love mine crispy, so I'm gonna leave them open to dry up. And this is a polony. It's a sausage. I bought this one in Sainsbury. They have them in Tesco. I think America calls it bologna. This is how it looks like inside. So for our dinner, I made a variety, just two for today. It's polony chopped like the vegetables with acha. Acha is also called mango chutney. You get it from halal shops. And I find that the one here is a bit salty. And there is our curry. For today, it's dished into a bowl. That is it. That's our very rustic Amagwinya Vetkoek. That's delicious. Thank you all for watching. That's how you make Vetkoeks, Amagwinya, PuffPuff, Fatcakes, whichever way you want to call it, from wherever part of the world you're coming from, Doughnuts. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you on the next one, on the part 2.
Good job, Mom. Good job.